So, good morning. It is May 3rd, 2019. Paul here, the Spaulding Team with Berkshire Hathaway Nevada Properties. Let's see what's going on with the greater Las Vegas real estate today. Let us see what is happening for this finally a Friday. Okay, we have number one here, townhome. A little under 1,300 square feet, 2-bedroom, 2-bath, 2-car garage for only $186. That's interesting. Okay, 2-story dude, nice and clean, upgraded a bit. Nice garage. Common area, pool, clubhouse on the cliffs at Dover. How about that? And that's all over. It was built in 2018, so it's brand new. Interesting. Craig and Nellis. Okay, up in the near the Air Force Base. Wow. I wonder who built it. Dover, I guess. Okay, so our play 1% closing costs. That looks like a really good deal for somebody. Interesting. Okie dokie. Let's see what else we got. Boy, a lot of new listings already this morning. Okay, 849,000 for this guy. 4,000 square feet, 4-bedroom, 4-bath with a 3-car garage, built in 90. Okay, a little single story. Nice palm trees. Nice and clean. Wet bar. Upgraded kitchen. Looks like a pretty nice property. Must be in a good location for $850 though, with no pool or spa. Everything else looks pretty nice here. Got some datedness here in the countertop, but besides that, it all looks pretty good. Okay, where is this guy? Buffalo and Sahara. Okay, good area. Okay, so yesterday we had this little guy on Daisy. I think we looked at it yesterday morning. Yeah, we did. Okay, that's 80,750 square feet, built in 63. And a lot of new listings. 'Tis the season apparently. 2.8 million here. Highest priced one for yesterday, just under 8,000 square feet. Brand new, built in 19. 6-bedroom, 7-bath, 6-car garage. Wow. 2-bath and pool and spa. Nice little drone shot there. Roma Hills. Okay. On the edge. Why? I wonder why it's all green around it. Contemporary. This is not the house, so it hasn't even been built yet. That's what the thing is. It's under construction, probably. Let's see what it says here. Yep, under construction. Okay, $351 a square foot. Asking. Interesting. And just so everybody knows where it is right there. McDonald Ranch area. Okay. Alright, so that's that. Let's see what we got. 669 in contract. 723 sold here. Let's find out what the recent ones are. 5.3. We've got a townhome here, 236, 1356 square feet, 3-bedroom, 2-car garage. Okay, so what's it look like? Okay, that's nice and clean. Nicely staged. Colorful. That is really nice. Shows very well. There's a lot of colors in that. Oh, calico. Okay. Alright. Didn't know they had townhomes up there. Maybe it's in gallery. Okay, then yesterday, that was reported today, by the way. Yesterday was a one-story single-family home for $32,000. I wonder if that's a typo. Oh, manufactured. Okay, that sucker sold. I remember when that came on the market. It was just a piece. Burnout. Look at this thing. Oh, it doesn't even have interior pictures. Okay. $32,000 for a tenth of an acre. Market value, apparently. Excuse me. Okay. Got that over with. So, these all closed yesterday. Okay, Serenity Point. Townhome. I think we looked at this one yesterday. No, maybe not. Very artistic. Nice views up in the upper deck up here. Okay. 1.8 million. Incredible. Okay. Oh, okay. That's Mountain Highlands area. Okay. Understand it now. Alright. Well, that is that. And then we're going to look for the pool homes, like we've done the last few times. What recently went under contract. Last couple of days. Single family, whoops. Single family with a pool. And what do we got here? 81. Priced anywhere from 233 to 1.6. Scroll down here a bit. As soon as we hit 400,000, okay, yeah. Where are we here? All over the map. Okay, that's that. One other thing I thought I'd give you a show of here. What is going on with our market? See where the median sales price is going. This is 2016, 2019. So we went from 200 clear up. New listings. Look at that. Dropped way down there last year and just steady upswing. The most listings in a long time. Closed sales. Look at that. That is really interesting. 40,000 in April. 44,000 in April a year ago. So 4,000 difference in the year over year. That's 10%. It's incredible. Days on the market. That was clear down here to 14. Now it's up to 18. With months supply, we're at 3 now. We were clear down at 2.3. Back here we were at 4 months. Crunching the numbers. We're at 99.2%. Median percent of list price. Percent of list price. Price per square foot. Wow. Went from 114 clear up to 160. That is totally amazing. Our dollar volume. 12 billion in April. And in March. This is 11 billion. Wow. Let's get into single family. 10 billion. Single family, we have 2.9 days on the market. We have 18 days on the market is all we have. And all price ranges. Three bedrooms plus. Look at that. Incredible. Days on the market 21. 3.4 for 3 bedrooms, over 214,000. Single family. Homes for sale. Inventory's gone up quite a bit in the last year. 20% or so. 27%. New listings at there. Okay, well, I think that's enough for today. It is 8:52 and I am signing off. Talk to you soon. Bye.